Konnichiwa, everyone, and welcome back to Where Nature Dreams. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey across the land of the rising sun to explore Japan's most captivating natural wonders. From snow-capped mountains that pierce the sky to serene landscapes whispering tales of bygone eras. Get ready to be amazed. Here are some of the gem of Japan you need to explore. Mount Fuji, an undisputed symbol of Japan. This majestic volcano is a must-see for any nature enthusiast. While scaling its peak requires permits and experience, breathtaking panoramas can be enjoyed from nearby Lake Kawaguchiko. Remember, always check weather conditions and regulations before attempting a climb. Pack warm layers and proper footwear, as conditions can change rapidly at higher altitudes. Shirotoko National Park. Hokkaido's crown jewel boasts a vast swathe of pristine wilderness teeming with diverse wildlife. Watch for majestic brown bears roaming the tundras, playful red foxes peeking from the undergrowth, and the awe-inspiring spectacle of drift ice formations transforming the coastline in winter. Be aware, maintain safe distances from wildlife, and follow designated trails to avoid disturbing their habitat. Respect the power of nature. Powerful currents and unpredictable weather can pose risks, so plan your exploration accordingly. Before we delve more into the captivating landscapes of Japan, did you know Japan is a land of staggering contrasts? This island nation, stretching along the eastern coast of Asia, boasts over 600 islands. That's an incredible number of coastlines to explore for a country with a relatively small landmass. Heading to our next wonders, Yakushima Island. Nicknamed Island of Moss, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a living fairy tale. Ancient cedars, some towering over a millennium, stand cloaked in vibrant emerald moss, creating an atmosphere of mystical beauty. Explore the lush forests along well-maintained trails, soaking in the serenity and the fresh, invigorating air. The island receives significant rainfall, so pack waterproof hiking boots with good traction to navigate the sometimes slippery trails. Shirakawa-go and Gokayama. Nestled amidst the picturesque Japanese Alps, these charming villages are renowned for their traditional gasho-style farmhouses. These unique structures, with their steeply thatched roofs resembling praying hands, offer a glimpse into a bygone way of life. The villages are especially captivating during winter illuminations, when the gasho houses are bathed in a magical glow. However, be prepared for crowds during peak season. Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Immerse yourself in the serene beauty of Kyoto's Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Towering stalks of bamboo create a natural cathedral, sunlight filtering through the leaves, casting a dappled light on the forest floor. Capture unforgettable photos and simply unwind amidst the peaceful atmosphere. Respect the quiet. Remember, the grove is a place of tranquility. Avoid loud noises and disruptive behavior to ensure everyone can enjoy the serene environment. Before we move on to our next wonder, do you know the Japanese have a long tradition of noodle slurping? In Japan, slurping your noodles is actually considered good manners. It shows that you are enjoying your food and that the noodles are fresh. Moving on next, we have Nikko National Park. Immerse yourself in the serene beauty and rich cultural heritage of Nikko National Park. cascading waterfalls, crystal clear lakes, and ancient shrines nestled amidst lush forests create a breathtaking landscape. Explore Toshogu Shrine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant colors, or hike the scenic trails around Lake Chuzenji. Many shrines and temples in Nikko are considered sacred sites. Dress modestly and be mindful of your behavior while visiting these places. Okinawa's beaches. Escape to paradise on the stunning beaches of Okinawa. Pristine white sand, crystal clear turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life offer the perfect backdrop for relaxation and exploration. Enjoy world-class snorkeling, diving, and kayaking experiences, or simply soak up the sun and unwind on the idyllic shores. Be sun-smart. Okinawa's subtropical climate brings strong sunshine. Pack sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun's rays. Now, time for another interesting facts. Do you know Japan has the highest density of vending machines per capita in the world? There are more than 5 million vending machines in Japan, or roughly one for every 23 people. You can find vending machines selling everything from snacks and drinks to umbrellas and live lobsters. Moving on next to Jigokudani Monkey Park. Witness a heartwarming spectacle at Jigokudani Monkey Park, where Japanese macaques bathe in steaming hot springs to stay warm during the cold winter months. Observe these fascinating creatures as they frolic and relax in the natural pools. Maintain distance. Remember, these are wild animals. Nachi Katsura Waterfall. The grandeur of Nachi Katsura Waterfall is one of Japan's most iconic waterfalls. Cascading down a dramatic cliff face, surrounded by lush greenery, it creates a breathtaking natural spectacle. The waterfall's flow can vary depending on the season. Autumn foliage paints the surrounding area with vibrant colors, offering a stunning backdrop. Remember, this list just scratches the surface of Japan's incredible natural wonders. Do your research, plan your adventure, and get ready to discover the magic of the land of the rising sun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.